Hey, my favorite friends. I am sorry that I didn't get to see you on Monday. I was in a training all day and I was learning some really great things that we'll be able to use when we come back to school. And one of the really cool things that they showed me in the training is stories that help us to understand things and understand life the way that it is, and to understand sometimes things that are a little bit too big for our brains to understand. So they shared this story, and this is a story about right now. It's a story about today. It's a story about your life right now. So I'm going to read this story with you, and I'm going to talk to you through this story while I read it. It's called Staying Calm at Home, and it's a story for our family. There have been so many changes. School has been closed for a while to keep us safe from the coronavirus germs. For now, I'll be safe at home with my family. So there's a picture of a family all together staying in their house. My family doesn't look like that. My family looks like me and Mr. Skyver and just Priya. So your family might look the same as this picture, or it might look different. We will go back to school when the virus is gone. I'm really looking forward to that day when it comes. But for right now, I'm glad that we're home and we're safe. Sometimes I might feel like I have a problem at home. I can point to the 3 to let someone know. Now, I know this is not a tool that you have at your house right now, but this is a feelings chart, and I want you to just take a look at that picture. At the very bottom, it's a 1, and it says feeling great. 2, things are pretty good. 3, I've got a problem. 4, I'm really upset. 5, I need some help. So when you start to feel like you're starting to have a problem, you can let someone at your house know. I might even start to feel mad. These are some different things that we can feel sometimes. It says, I feel, and then safe, not safe, happy, sad, need a break, need help, and then mad is circled down there. Sometimes when we have a problem, we can start to feel mad. We can also feel these other things at other times too. Then I can do something to stay calm. One thing I can do is breathe. So this is something that we have done in our classroom before, where we've done bunny breaths, elephant breaths, snake breaths, all different kind of breaths. So you could pick one of those breaths. Bee breaths. See how we've got, I've got some of these on here. We've got the snake breaths, the bunny breaths, the bee breaths. I'm not sure what a whale breath is, but we've done elephants before. So think of a type of breath you want to do, and you can just breathe. Here are other things I can do to stay calm. You can color, play with Play-Doh if you have that, listen to music, go for a walk, snuggle or cuddle with your stuffed animals, or build something. Something that I like to do is I have a painting that I'm working on, and I like to paint. That helps me to stay calm. I can also count and breathe. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Count again and breathe again. And you can do this as many times as you need to. I can draw a picture of something else to help me calm down. Once I help my body to be calm, then I'll feel great again. That is how I stay calm at home. The end, my friend. Here's a list of some resources that your mom or dad or aunt or grandma or whoever you're with could help you click and search through those if you guys are interested. But I just wanted to share this because I have been thinking about ways that I have to stay calm in this time that's really different than any other time we've ever had before. So I thought that I would share this story with you because if it can help some people, then maybe it would help you too. Stay calm, guys, and keep breathing.